Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing fresh rice bran and acting fast, because enzymatic breakdown spoils oil quality. Once you have it, dry the bran to roughly 8 to 10% moisture to prevent hydrolysis. Next, heat the dried bran mildly to deactivate enzymes. This preserves flavor and yield. Then position your extraction method: a cold mechanical press for small batches or a solvent system for higher yield, and feed the prepared bran steadily to maintain consistent extraction conditions. Once you've loaded material, gently raise temperature into the 60 to 80 degree range to reduce viscosity and help oil release, but make sure not to scorch the bran. If pressing, apply steady pressure and multiple passes for maximum yield. If using solvent, follow proper contact time and solvent to bran ratios to extract efficiently, then recover solvent. After extraction, clarify the crude oil by centrifuging or allowing it to settle so solids and water separate. Because cleaner crude makes downstream refining You finish by refining the crude oil. Start with degumming to remove phospholipids, then neutralize free fatty acids to improve stability and taste, and follow with bleaching and deodorizing to remove color and odor. These steps explain why refined rice bran oil stores and cooks well. Once refined, filter, cool, and bottle in clean, airtight containers away from light and heat. If off flavors or cloudiness appear, refilter, verify low moisture, and consider reneutralizing small amounts of free fatty acids as a corrective measure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.